Hey, so in this video, I'm going to go over how to find profitable keywords for your family law firm. The first thing I wanted to cover is that why should you even blog as a family law firm? And the main reason is that there's actually three reasons. So first reason is that if you write blog articles that people are actually searching for, so your target audience has questions around family law topics and you know the answer, then it would make sense that you would write a blog article. Because if they type these questions into Google, like most people don't go to their friends to ask about like, I don't know, how much does a divorce cost in Orlando, for example. So what they do instead is they just Google these topics because these are delicate topics. So take Google, and if you don't have an article covering this topic, they will probably find one of your competitors' articles. And if your competitor does a good job at answering their question, odds are that the person will start to trust your competitor. And if they want to do some business, if they want to hire a attorney, they will turn to your competitor instead of you. So first of all, that's the first reason. You want to answer your target audience's questions to win trust, to earn trust with them, and to build topical authority and also brand awareness. So they will start to know your brand, your law firm. The second thing is that if you plant call to actions in a good way into the article, so let's say like this is Contimore Law here, and they are ranking for how much does a divorce cost in Florida without a lawyer. And like here they have tons of call to actions. So they have like their number in English, in Spanish. They have a get a free consultation button here, which is actually working. So nice, well done there for them. Within that article, of course, they're answering the person's question, but they are also linking to their services like child custody service page, child support service page, and different pages on their site that is driving the rankings of those other pages as well. So this page is building trust, but it's also linking to their service pages. So yeah, it's also linking to their divorce lawyer page, which is then boosting that divorce lawyer's page on Google as well. On top of this blog article trying to convert someone to become their customer, once again, you will gain topical authority. Google will trust you more for your topic, knowing that you are the Wikipedia of your family law niche. You will gain recognition among your target audience. They will start to know, like, and trust your brand because you help them answer an important question of theirs. And this will get you direct conversions, either from the blog article itself, or if the blog article is helping to boost your service pages, like your divorce lawyer service page. Writing blog articles is super powerful. But then the question is, how do you actually know which topics to write about, which questions to answer, what questions are people even asking? So the best possible way to figure this out is to use a SEO tool, but I also will give you a shortcut as well. I will share a list of the most used keywords around topics later in the video. But first of all, the best way to find is you need a tool, Ahrefs or SEMrush, to be honest. And this cool, like we are spending almost $1,000 with them every month. The cheapest package you can get is $100. But if you're serious about doing SEO and showing up on organic rankings, you really need this tool. The $100 is well worth it because like think about how many customers you could get from one article. And this tool can help you find hundreds of article ideas. So that's why it's super powerful. But like if you just go to Ahrefs and you type in one of your main head terms. So in this case, I just typed in divorce lawyer. And then if you go and like, first of all, you're going to see this for divorce lawyer. But then if you go to matching terms, it's going to show you a lot of matching terms. A lot of other terms people type into Google that are relevant to divorce lawyers or divorce attorneys, family attorneys. And now if you go to questions here at the top and press on this button, this will show you the questions that people are asking around the family law or divorce lawyer topic. So these are the different questions that you should answer on Ahrefs. You get to see the exact keyword, how many searches a month this keyword is being searched for, and the KD, which stands for keyword difficulty, how difficult it is to rank for this particular search term. And Ahrefs also gives you a color code here. So basically anything below 5 or below 10 even is pretty easy to rank. And also there's a hack that I will give you as well, is that like you are servicing clients in your local area. So I gave the example of Orlando before. So if you consider Orlando, what you can do is if you find these keywords and you write articles to target those keywords, add the modifier Orlando into those topics. It doesn't matter that the answer would apply to everywhere, in Texas, in Seattle, in New York, whatever. So how much does a divorce lawyer cost in Orlando, for example, would be your article. This would boost your local relevance and it would make it easier for you to rank locally in Orlando. Because people are asking this question in Orlando, but also in other places in the United States. But you just add Orlando to those questions when you're writing your articles. It will help you rank higher in Orlando in your particular area. So that's one hack. And this is just for divorce lawyers. There are like, you see over 1,000, so over 1,100, almost 1,200 keywords here. And instead of just guessing what people are asking, you actually know the data. You know how many times per month these are asked for and what's the competition level. And the higher the competition, the better your article has to be. And also if the competition is really high, you might need to build some backlinks as well directly to those articles, but that's a longer topic as well. So the hack that I promised to give you is that I have extracted this particular list here. And if you click the link at the bottom of this video, the first link at the bottom of this video, this will take you to a form on my page. If you just enter your first name and email, you will start getting different tips and tactics and techniques and strategies that I don't share publicly to your email as well. But you will also get this list extracted as an Excel file or a Google Sheet file. Please make sure to check this list might go to not to your main inbox, but maybe to your promotions. This will be from this email. So yeah, you just go to promotions and check it from there. Maybe it is in your primary folder. I hope this gave you some ideas. And if you have any questions, just Add a comment down below, or from the description, you can also find my email. Thank you. Have a great day. Oh, and before you go, if you are a family law firm and you want to get more high value cases, we're currently offering 30 days of free SEO execution, totally free. No contracts, no strings. We take the risk, not you. But because this is high risk to us, we need to analyze your website first to see if we believe SEO is worth doing in your specific location. So click the link below to get a free video audit of your site first and see if your city is still available.